Removing noise on Audacity is actually very easy, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I want you to do is load up your Audacity software. You're going to go to File, you're going to open up the project in which you want to remove the noise for. Now once that project is loaded, what you want to do is you want to find the exact place where the noise is. So I have this recording of a couple of noises that I've played, so let's play it. So we're gonna assume this is the noise in your recording, and we're gonna select this part of it, which is gonna play as now that we've selected where the noise is, we're gonna go to Effects and we're gonna go to Noise Removal and Repair. Now when we go to Noise Removal and Repair, we're going to go down to Noise Reduction. Now we'll have a dialog box that has the noise reduction here, and once we preview, we can hear the noise that we've selected. Now we're going to tweak these settings individually until we can no longer hear the noise in our preview. So let's reduce this to 0. Let's preview. We can still hear the noise, so what we're going to do is we're going to reduce this also, and we're going to preview. As you can see, we still have the noises. Now we're going to go to Residue, and we're going to click on Preview. Now you can see we no longer hear any noise, so we're going to stop and we're going to click on OK. Now you can see all of the noises have been removed, and when we go back to the audio and we play, we no longer have any noise here again. When we do this, we come here, we no longer have any noise there again. Now that's how you remove noise in Audacity. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.